How to use CVS COVID test feature. First of all, go ahead and launch the CVS website or open the official mobile application. If you are on desktop, you simply have to tap on that search bar, then type CVS MinuteClinic scheduling. Once you are here within the official website, all you have to do is go ahead and open it and then log into your account and select the COVID-19 test from the medical services menu. Now you simply have to answer the brief digital questionnaire regarding your symptoms, exposure history, and age, and input your zip code, select a nearby MinuteClinic location, and pick an available appointment slot. Once you do this, you have to now provide your health insurance details or choose the self-pay option, then attend the appointment and retrieve your results. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.